Hey everyone, this is Bola. I'm the founder and CEO of Clever Girl Finance, and welcome to Clever Girl Finance TV. So today's video is the third in our investing series, and we're going to be talking about 6 key mistakes that you need to avoid as an investor. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video so you can get access to the Clever Girl Finance Roadmap, which is a step-by-step guide to help you as you work on improving your finances, from paying off debt to saving money to building real wealth. So let's get into this video and talk about those 6 key mistakes that you need to avoid. So if you want to build long-term wealth, you want to put your money to work for you, then you need to be investing. However, there are some common mistakes that investors make all the time that you need to avoid, and we're going to be going over them right now. Mistake number 1 is waiting to invest. So when it comes to investing, time is your greatest asset. It allows you to build greater gains over time and also take advantage of the power of compounding over time as well. And so it's important that if you are able to start investing right now, take advantage of your employer's retirement plan, take advantage of any free match your employer offers. And if you do not have an employer retirement plan, then open up your own investment accounts and start to invest starting today. Mistake number 2 is not having money put aside for your short-term goals. When you have money put aside for your short-term goals, you're not forced to cash out your investments in order to fund those short-term goals for things like buying a house or buying a car or starting a business or whatever your goals that you want to accomplish are in the next 1 to 5 years. And so when you have a fund for your short-term goals, when you have separate savings for your short-term goals that are outside of your investments, you're not forced to tap into your investments and potentially risk losing money if you need the money when the market is going through a slow period or a downturn. Mistake number 3 is investing with emotion. This could be you getting really excited to make an investment because everybody around you is talking about this hot stock or this trending fund, or it could be because somebody in your family or a friend of yours told you that this is a great investment and they've made all this money. When it comes to investing with emotion, don't do it. You want to be objective. So ask yourself, do I understand this investment? What is it going to cost me? How does it align with my long-term goals and objectives? And how risky is it? And does this align with my risk tolerance? Questions like that will help you be objective before you make this investment and help you avoid making investments based on emotion. Mistake number 4 is trying to time the market, trying to buy low on this day and sell high on the next day. That is best left to investment professionals. As a newbie investor or someone who's just starting out or someone who doesn't have a lot of time, investing should be considered as a long-term strategy. And so you shouldn't try to time the market. Instead, you should focus on investing consistently over time to reap the rewards of compounding and dividends on your investments. Mistake number 5 is expecting overnight returns on your investments. So if anyone is trying to sell you an investment that seems too good to be true, it probably is. If anyone is trying to sell you an investment that seems like it's going to have a 500% return by tomorrow night, that's probably a scam. Again, remember, investing is all about the long term. Don't expect overnight returns. Investment markets go through different seasons. They go through spikes and dips, but over time, showing the history of the stock market, your investments will grow consistently. So stay focused on the long term. And mistake number 6 is not considering taxes in your long-term plans. So when you're investing your money, if you are making gains or you have returns on your investments, you're going to have to pay taxes. And so it's important that you understand what your tax obligation or your tax burden is going to be so that you can make sure that the taxes that you have to pay do not impact your overall financial goals. So if you're unsure about your taxes, be sure to sit down with an accountant or an investment professional to guide you through what your tax burden will potentially be and how to plan for it accordingly. So those are some of the key mistakes that you need to avoid as an investor. And I hope this video has gotten you thinking about how best to position yourself as a good investor. If you've enjoyed watching this video, be sure to check out our other 2 videos in our investment series on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe and tell all your best girlfriends about the Clever Girl Finance YouTube channel. Finally, be sure to head over to clevergirlfinance.com so that you can download the Clever Girl Finance Roadmap, which is our step-by-step guide to help you gain confidence and knowledge to create your financial plans, including your plans to invest. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.